Hello, hello. Live stream number 14. Let's do it. Hopefully, all this stuff is working. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. Hopefully, you can get some nice, easy trades today. From what I can see, that is definitely going to be the case. You already got the dollar dropping very heavily. Hey, good morning, everybody. Or good night, depending on where you are. It's definitely night over here. I'll say good morning anyway. Awesome. We got some people in here already. I forgot to check the news. Monday, March 6th. Got some light news at 1:30. Yeah, really nothing. Nothing special. Some news at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow. But I don't trade that session, so that's not going to matter. Let's see, what else do we have? I'm a little mad that I didn't get in on this AUD NZD trade the other day because it did exactly what I said it was going to do. That's okay. I'm just glad that I was right, even though I didn't actually get the trade. Wow, look at the U Frank. Bad boy is dropped all the way off. Um, hmm. Yeah, like I always say, it's not the best idea to take trades before the session open for multiple different reasons, but there are some times where you can get away with it, and I might take something here. We'll just see what happens with it. But yeah, usually a big move like that, you can get away with getting in on something like that. So we shall see. Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably. Yeah, I just want to see what happens here. I might actually hop in this trade here. Yeah, as you guys might already have figured out, Monday is my early day for my day job. So this is the day where I do try to get out of here kind of early. I already took a little nap earlier, so I'm kind of rested already, but try to at least get a little bit of sleep. At least a little bit. I don't seem to need much sleep, but if I can get like 4 or 5 hours, I'm usually okay. Man, what's with all these trains derailing? I don't know what's going on anymore. So many weird, crazy things happening. Gotta get this money so I can go escape to the islands. Yeah, something tells me I should have already gotten into this trade here. I'd like to see a little more of a pullback. How's it going, Info? Mr. Sir, hello to you, sir. Good to see everybody. Make sure to hit the like button. Helps me out with this whole YouTube thing, which I still am not taking nearly as seriously as I should be. Yeah, I'm well over 1,000 subs now, so I guess I'm doing something right. Yeah, the Swiss franc pairs are on the move today. Whoa, look at this. Woo! Goodness. Franc pairs are on the move. Euro GBP. I don't know what to do with this one today. I might not trade this pair today. Just looking kind of. Anything, I think it would go down after a while. It'd probably go up for a little bit and then heavily come down. That's my guess over there. Yeah, I think it's just gonna be majors today. Probably the U franc. I just want to get a nice pullback on that one. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a majors day today. Not sure what exactly yet. I'm gonna have to wait until the actual session open. Where's my water? Hold on, let me grab my water. Thought I brought that over here already. All right, so I'm all ready to go here. Yep, ready to go. Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna be majors only. I don't see much else. This is gonna be, yeah, possibly one of the franc pairs. I'm not sure which one yet, but the franc is on the move today, so. I've been looking at some tutorials, trying to get some like sounds going in here. It's a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. Live stream is a little different from making regular videos. Actually, kind of advanced level stuff. I thought I was like kind of press a button and things just happen, but you gotta like, yeah, you gotta like actually set things up. So little more difficult than I was expecting, but probably by the end of this week I'll have some sounds, maybe some music. I know you guys are here mainly for the trades, but I want it to be as fun as possible and hopefully not too much work for me. Uh, yeah, I think the dollar should be coming down. Looks like gold is going up. Looks like S&P is going up. Um, Bitcoin is still kind of chilling. Refresh this one. Yep. All right, so we got 16 minutes before the open. Yeah. I might actually start these. I might start starting these at like 11:40 instead. Maybe half an hour is too long before the session, because yeah, pretty much in like 15 minutes I've got everything set up. I already know what trades I'm planning on taking. So half an hour might be a little bit too long. This might be a decent short here too. We'll see. We shall see. I think the open is going to change a lot of things today. But last week was a really good week. Really, really good week. Made a couple mistakes, but not very many. These live streams actually really have been helping my performance. So that was the goal. Mission accomplished. I'm trading much better now. Yeah, it was a pretty stressful week outside of Forex trading. I definitely had a couple beers this weekend. Well, it was just a couple. By a couple, I mean like 7. I come from a long line of alcoholics. 7 beers really is not that bad for me. Yo, Tet. I don't know what that means, sir. Are you calling me an alcoholic in some other language? It's probably true. It's okay. It's okay. I'll accept that. Uh, Yeah, the GU and the EU still look like they want to go up for a little bit. Dollar definitely looks like it wants to come down on pretty much all of the charts, which is a good sign it'll probably come down. But we all know beginning of the session usually flips things around, and then in about 10 minutes after the session opens, they usually decide on which direction they actually want to go in. Oh, I see. He was saying hi to you. I got you. Nice cat. Yeah, when I get a bigger place, I want to get a dog, but I also want a cat too. Maybe if I raise them together, they'll be like little brothers and they'll be nice to each other. I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna work out. You have 56 what? You said you have $27 and 56 cats? Say what? Well, I'm planning on getting a Doberman, so I guess I'll get the Doberman as like a puppy. And I was thinking, get the cat and the dog both as babies, and they'll already be used to each other. So when the Doberman gets all big, it won't want to attack the little kitty. Hopefully. If you really have that many dogs and cats, that's very interesting. Like they're gonna make a TLC show about you. Where they put all those like 700-pound people and the hoarders. They had that one lady on there. She's not a Christian. She's not a Christian. They can always find the crazies. Oh man. Give them a check. They'll get on TV. All right. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be, I think, dollar pairs on the move today. That's what it's looking like. Yeah. I damn near crushed that water already. Yeah, we might even get a short move here on the EGBP. That'd be nice too. Love this pair. I trade this pair multiple times throughout the week. Kirby, I'm actually trading, I think, 4 different accounts right now. So I've got a challenge, I've got a client account challenge, I got my personal account, and one of my FTMO accounts. So a couple different accounts. Yeah, like I was saying, I was having consistency issues. I would do really well for like a week, maybe 2 weeks in a row. Then I would just like lose it and start over risking and stuff like that. But ever since I've been doing these live streams, I haven't done anything like that. So, you know, this was the extra boost of accountability that I needed. It's definitely changed the way that I'm doing this. These are being recorded, put onto my YouTube channel. I can't be doing anything reckless for everyone to see. So this was exactly what I needed. Okay, 4 minutes to go. The party is about to get started here. Yes, going live does keep me in check. Definitely does. Public shame, that'll keep you in check. Yeah, you're trading by yourself, you'll do all kind of crazy stuff. Okay. Gotta grab a little bit more water before this session opens. Be right back. You said the prop firms might be watching me. I'm always surprised by who's watching me. I get all these emails, and yeah, I've actually had some prop firms email me. There's way more than I realized. Lots of prop firms. But like I was saying last stream, there are some scam prop firms too. So you gotta definitely do your research and work with the ones that have been around for a couple of years. You don't get your money stolen. All right, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Yeah, might actually get a short move here. So that would be really great, actually. I have to wait a little bit, though. Okay. Should move up here. Hopefully it comes up here somewhere. Yeah, I might actually short this now. Oh, yeah, there's so many. Yeah. There's no way that all these prop firms are legitimate. The top ones are. I'd say the top 10 that everyone knows about. Those are the ones you can work with. Yeah, I want to see like one more move up and then down. And I'd feel comfortable getting into this one. Right now, it's still kind of shallow. So I'm not going to do anything yet. What's going on with these Frank pairs? Yeah, these will probably continue down. It's already really far down, though. How's it going, KM? Yeah, I think I've seen you left a comment on one of my videos. Yeah, this should be a nice short at some point. It's just not ready yet, but yeah, probably in like the next 20 minutes, I'll take a short here. Yeah, when it comes to Forex trading, stock trading, crypto trading, always deal with people, things that have a couple years in the game, because there are scams galore, especially right now. Scamming is at like an all-time high, because the economy's gotten bad, prices of everything went up, so the scammery is in full effect. This will probably be a good short at some point. Not anytime soon, though. Maybe it probably won't even be this session. Yeah, man, welcome. Yeah, I do these Monday through Friday now, so come join in on the fun and the free trades while they're still free. Yeah, I still want to see one more top here. I could probably get away with getting now, but yeah, I just need like one more good confirmation, and I will short this bad boy. Which pair do I trade the most? This one's definitely one of them. Euro GBP, the GU, and the EU are probably my top three. Yeah. Yeah, those are probably my favorites. This is probably my best pair, really. Gotta start doing more analysis on my trading so I can actually know the answers to those kind of questions. Do I only trade London? Uh, Pretty much. I mean, I would prefer to trade New York, really, but it doesn't work with my schedule. So yeah, I pretty much only trade London these days, but New York is the better session out of the two. London is number two. It's still better than the other two. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I want to see another move up and then another move down. And that's when I hop in. I could even just set a sell stop down here and just let it, it'll just enter later whenever it goes down. Yep, it'll probably maybe go up a little bit more. It'll go up to like hit. What's going on with this mouse today? Ah, mouse is kind of messing up today. Anyways, this will probably go up a little bit. Go up to like here somewhere and then come down. That's what I'm guessing. But yeah, this is a EMA trend continuation on the hour chart, which is one of the best patterns out there. That means it should go 3 reward, if not more. Yes, I do have to work in the morning. Actually, have to wake up in about 5 hours. This is my early day. And yeah, I wake up at 5 a.m. and work all the way until about 2 a.m. So it's a really intense day. I call it Marathon Monday. Yeah, okay, I'll get in here because it's what it's supposed to do already. So I'll go ahead and hop in this short trade here. Okay. All right, so we got our first trade here. Loud. Eight. So yeah, this is technically a little bit early. So I'm hoping that I don't get swung out of the trade. Then I'll just have to re-enter. And I would have lost the trade for no reason. But I also don't want to miss the move because I don't see much else to trade right now. So I go ahead and go with this one. Looks good on all the charts, even though it is a little bit early. This mouse is a goodness. I gotta get a new mouse. It's always like sticking on me. Okay. All right. So here's my first trade for today. Should work out pretty well. Hussein, how's it going? Good to see you again. Now I just got to figure out what's going on with these major pairs. Might have a trade here. If this goes up a little bit more, I'll short this one too. Just need a little bit better of a pullback. I wanted to go back like right in here somewhere, and then I'll short that one. Yeah, man. This was one of those days where I didn't feel like trading, but you know, here I am trading. So I probably won't be on here for too long today. It was a little bit busier than usual last week. So I was kind of exhausted, but I got to rest a little bit today. This is probably a decent short here too. I don't think I'll take it, but this will probably work short. I'm not gonna mess with that one though. This is probably a decent short here. Actually, at that one I might. Nah. I haven't been trading the yen pairs for a while. Oh, you got the 100K challenge retake? Yeah, you know, I've kind of changed my stance on the challenges. I actually do think compounding is just the way to go. Even though it is a little bit more stressful, it's just so much faster and easier. And if you do get all 3 in a row, you can get it done in like 3 or 4 days. So I'm going back to my original compounding formula strategy, at least for the challenges. But for regular trading, Yeah, for regular trading, I would recommend not compounding, but for the challenges, go with compounding. And yeah, MK, I am funded. Yeah, yeah, if you have to take a break for a couple days or do demo or do like the trial version of the challenge, whatever you have to do to get yourself back in line. Like I said, for me, it was doing these live streams, or you could even record your sessions. You don't have to build a YouTube channel and do all this stuff, but I mean, you can just record your sessions for yourself and like watch for the things that trigger you or whatever it is that's making you perform, making your performance go down. So you can fix the problem. Yeah. Yeah. Another thing that helped me is to uh, take the time constraint out of it completely. Because what I was noticing is I would want to try to finish as quickly as possible. But if you don't think about that part, you'll just only go for solid trades. And yeah. So if it takes you 3 weeks to finish it, that's fine. And if you finish it in 3 days, that's fine too. Either way, you got a big giant account to work with once you're finished. Okay, it looks like that USD Swiss franc short is coming up. So I have my eye on that one. That might be the next trade I take. This one should be fine here. It's only like 20 pips. But like I said, it is a little bit early. So if it fails on me and I have to get back in, that's fine. I'll still go for 3 reward, lose 1 and get 3. So I'd be still up 2. But hopefully it'll just go through. I don't have to do all that. One here is looking like it's almost ready. Just wanted to go up a little bit more. Oh, yeah, it might have been too early here. Let's see if I get swung out of it. Still a good chance that I won't, but if I'm gonna get swung out, it'll be right now. Man, the dollar pairs are all over the place. Yeah, I knew I was too early with this one. Yeah, this one will probably fail. Probably go up here and then come down. That's a little annoying, but it happens. Okay, so we have this one coming up. I just need a solid red bar, and I'll take a short here. Ah, yeah, lost this one. All right, so I gotta wait to re-enter on that one. Too early. FFS. Trading's been good, man. Last week was really good. Really good profit for the week. Um, yeah, hopefully another solid week this week too. Definitely a lot of movement today, that's for sure. Oh my goodness. See, I knew that was gonna happen. Go up here and then come down, and then now I can get into the trade. Oh yeah, man. Yes, you can make some real money with Forex trading, unlike working for these companies. Okay. Okay, just waiting on a red bar here on the 5 minute. This one I'm waiting to re-enter so I can get my money back. That 1 hour they just took from me. Look at that. Urgh. I tell you, man, that is the worst. When you get swung out of your trade and then it goes through right after. That is the worst thing ever. Okay. I think I'll go ahead and enter this one. Now let me give it a little bit more time. This one I'm gonna get back into. Yep. Okay, had to re-enter. It did exactly what I thought it was gonna do. So I'll try the re-entry, and if this one fails, then I'll leave it alone for the day. That's my rule. 2 attempts. They both fail, and I'll get off that pair for the day, for the session. Just come back. Come back to it on another day, but this should be fine here. And then the dollar looks like it's finally coming down now. We got this too. I don't love this trade. It's okay. Not great. I don't think I'm going to take that one. UCAD is probably good for a short, but I don't think I'm going to take that one either. Do I ever trade the indexes? I'll trade the S&P on occasion. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan. The spread is kind of high, and there's this calculator you have to use in order to calculate the lot size. So it's like an extra step. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it seems to be pretty predictable though. I know a lot of people like the indexes and gold. Yeah, it might just be this EGBP. So I lost one trade on it earlier. This is another 3 here. So I'll be up 2 for the day. Not a great, fantastic day, but still 2 reward. I'm not mad at it. Wouldn't be mad at it. Yeah, the dollar pairs are all over the place today. Like this is really crazy right here. Got that coming down heavy. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. The dollar is so messy. I don't know what to do with it today. It looks like it should still come down a little bit more, really, but not doing that. So I don't know. I'm gonna leave it alone for today. I thought it was gonna be a dollar day. I was definitely wrong on that one. Yeah, see, this is why this one I was gonna short. I decided not to. I wanted to come up here. If it comes up here, then I'll short it. But this was too shallow down here. So I'll keep my eye on it. If it does do that, I'll hop into that one too. But other than that, I don't see much of anything really. Got my little trade here. I don't think it's gonna swing me out. I'd be really surprised if that happened. Hmm. Right. NZD is a coming down. So there might be something here later. We're gonna see. Oh, almost forgot my sleeping pills. Ha. Be right back. Okay. I swear I drink like 20 glasses of water per day. GCHF, I didn't even look at that one. Yeah, and the Euro CHF and the USD CHF. All these are probably going to be good shorts, but they're not ready yet. But since the dollar should be coming down, eventually. I still think the UCHF is probably the better choice out of those, and the spread is smaller. Yeah. Hopefully, I'm not getting swung out of this one again. I know it's coming down. I'm just waiting for it to actually do that. It is a little early though. You can see on the 15-minute chart, it's a little bit early to be shorting, but I probably just should have just used a sell stop, and then I wouldn't have been able to get 3 rewards. So okay, that's a good sign. We can make it past these like next 2 bars. We're probably in the clear. Yeah, it might bounce around for a little bit and then finally come down. This is probably yeah, this is probably where to sell here. But not 100% on that one yet. And you can maybe even buy these in a little bit. Ah, yeah, hopefully I don't start off the session with 2 losses. That kind of sucks. Not a good way to start the week if that does happen. Okay. I might actually short this one instead, as I'm banking on the EGBP coming down, so that'll push this down to. Yeah, I think I'll go for it. Yep. Okay, took a short here also. Yeah, it'll probably go past this level here, but I'm just a little, it is kind of overextended. So I'm not gonna go for too much there. It should at least go there. And then if the Euro GBP goes down, like I was saying earlier, it'll push this down even faster. So it should be a pretty quick trade if it's gonna go through. And kind of tempted to might set a buy stop in here somewhere for this one. We'll see how I feel about that one. Oh, and then we have this too. Well, kind of the same trade as this one. So I don't want to do two of the same thing. So I'll just let this one do its thing. But this is a pretty decent trade too. And this one's looking good now. Haven't gotten swung out of it, so that's good. Yeah, I might go long here. I'm gonna wait and see what happens with that. Using $100 risk on this 25K account. $100. All right. So I've taken 3 trades today. Lost one over here and then re-entered. And we have this one here. One's looking decent. Gotta at least win this trade here. I'll be in pretty good shape. Yeah, the spreads are the same for all the FTMOs. Really low spreads, really good spreads actually, compared to a lot of other brokers. Ah, is this shit gonna swing me out again? Yeah, maybe. I might get lucky. Oh. Oh. Well, let me make sure I'm still in there. Okay, yeah, I'm still in it. Let's see. Am I getting swung out or am I getting saved? Yeah, GCHF sell is good. Only thing though, if this comes down, like I think it will, it's gonna push the GBP up. So the Euro CHF should be the better option. So we'll see. Like I said, it is kind of overextended on the hourly chart. That was the only issue that I had with it. Oh my goodness. I got saved, I think. Okay, yeah, I'm still in. Man, this trade is playing games with me today. Oh, here we go. Okay, it should go through now. Scared me there. This one might fail though. So that would kind of suck, but at least I'll get the 3 here. I might have got saved on this one too. Yep. It's looking like it. Okay. I see him down 1 plus 3 is 2. And then this one is, I think, 2. So I'd be up 4 if these 2 go through. That's a good day. Plus 4 is a good day. Yeah. Oof. Man, I got saved by like the hair on my chinny chin chin. Let's go. Or did I? Yeah, it looks fine now. This one's a little iffy, but this one looks good. Oof. Close one though. So close. Nice. Yeah, I think we're good. Thank goodness. I hate losing 2 trades in a row to start. Like that's just not the way to go. Yeah, this one probably will go lower. A little hesitant though. I'll just take this here. Yeah. Perfect. 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 Yeah, you could probably get away with going long here too. I don't think I'm going to, but I think that's what'll happen. You can probably get a nice 2 reward out of this one. I'm not gonna take it. It's just a little too risky, but that is my guess. Oh yeah, got saved here too. Yeah. Yeah, I think this will be a good day. Nice 4 reward day. That's $400 on this account, on this 25K account. Yeah, I was looking at trying to get some like YouTube playlists playing in the background, and I looked up the tutorial. It was like a 20-minute tutorial. I'm thinking you just click a button. It's definitely not that easy. But eventually I'm going to figure it out. All right. Looking good, looking good. Oh, uh-oh. Okay. This one's still man, just go down already. Yeah. Yeah, I think the Euro GBP should come down. I mean, that's what I'm seeing. It's being a little stubborn right now. This should come down. The USD Swiss franc should come down. This should come down. The dollar, from what I can see, would continue down, but on the daily chart, just got a little bit of room to go up. So I'm not 100% on the dollar right now. Yeah, that's my guess here. This should come down for sure. And it should actually go past where my take profit is. But I'm just going to take it there, since that's the pretty heavy level. This pair is usually pretty predictable. Yeah. This one looks, yeah. This will probably go through in like the next 15 minutes. This one's probably going to take a while. I'll probably have to go to sleep and wake up, let this one do its thing. Hopefully I don't get swung out. Yeah, that's my trading plan rule. If I lose 3 in a row, I'll stop the session and just come back the following day. That's only happened once in the last 2 weeks. So it doesn't happen very often, but yeah, some days the market is just choppy, like today. And like if I would have tried to trade the dollar pairs today, I definitely would have had some losses. That's why I kind of just stayed away from those and just trade this one instead. Yeah, I think we're good here. Got very close to getting stopped out again, but I think now we should be fine. Yeah. Yeah, this one should go through. Like I said, it should go further than my take profit even. But I'll just take it where it is. Yep. Yeah, since this is coming down, it'll make this one come down even faster if it's going to come down. Yeah, it could end up going up here. Like up here, then coming down. So that's a possibility too. Yeah, this one's looking good now. Yeah. Thank goodness. All right, so even if I do lose that Euro CHF, I'll at least get this one. And I'll still be up 1 for the day. Not great, but still a profit. 1 R, still a profit. Yeah, I'm just looking around now, see if there's anything else I want to get into before I head to sleep. All right, looking pretty good. Euro JPY. Yeah, I don't see anything there. Only time I trade the yens is when they're all moving together. Wish I could show you guys this screen over here where I have my yen watch, crosspair watch, majors watch. I can't fit them on the stream screen. It's like a giant monitor, so it won't fit on the. It's too big to fit on there. I have to find some type of way so I can show you guys this one over here. But yeah, all the JPYs are moving in different directions. So I wouldn't touch any of them personally, except for maybe this one. The franc yen probably will continue coming down, but I'm not gonna trade it though. Yeah, the euro yen, I don't see anything on that one. But since the euro GBP is coming down so heavy, it'll probably go down. If anything. Ah, okay. Well, I lost this one. Yeah. All right, so I'm down 2, and this will be +3, so I'll just be up 1 for the day. Not great, but you know, like I said, it's still a profit. Kind of a choppy day overall. Huh. See, if I wasn't on this live stream right now, I probably would have started revenge trading by now. But look, I'm super calm and relaxed. Yeah. Yeah, one of these Swiss franc pairs is tradable for sure. I'd like to get one more. Yeah, this is, yep. Yep, like I was saying earlier, I want this one to come up to like here. And I'll go ahead and short this one too. So we'll see. If I can get an entry here, I'll do another sell and I can probably get at least 2 reward from it. So I'll have 3 reward for the day if my Euro GBP sells go through too. Yeah, I want to get at least 3. If I can get at least 3, I'll be happy. 1 is kind of we can do better than that. Yeah, GCHF, yeah. Yeah, there's definitely a short coming here at some point. Either now or up here somewhere. And the GAUD, I don't even pay attention to this pair anymore. It's used to be one of my favorite pairs, but it's been super inconsistent for a while now, so I just don't mess with it anymore. But congrats on the win, though. Yeah, this is pushing the euro down, so the GBP is being propelled upwards. Yeah, waiting on the sell for this one. Yeah, if it doesn't happen before 1:30, I'm just gonna be out because I'm not gonna be on here too long today. Make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. Help a brother out. Most people would not trade live either because they're not real traders or they're not real traders. Up 0.5%. Nice, man. All profits are good profits. Even if it's half or one. You didn't lose money. That's the goal. The sales for these franc pairs. It's almost where it needs to be. I still think it should be like up here. A little bit higher. But it might happen now. We'll see. It should put in a big red bar and then like one or two small consolidation bars. And that's where you can go ahead and enter. You could even make it a nice tight entry if you get the consolidation bar. Yeah, this is probably it right here. It's at the 21 EMA on the 15-minute and the 5-minute. It's at the 8 EMA on the hourly. Yeah, the franc pairs are kind of hard to trade. A little bit. Yeah, it took me a while to be consistent with my trading. For sure. I had a bad revenge trading habit I had to break, which seems to be gone now. That's good. Whenever I would lose money, I would want to instantly make it back. So it could get ugly real fast. Yeah, like I said, I would like for this to go up a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Yeah, I might actually sell it here on this bar. Yep, I think that's the move. And let's see what I get out of that. 9 and 18. Okay. Could use a sell stop instead. I think I might sell it here though. So wait to see what happens with this bar. Okay, just waiting on this one here. It's a coming. Man, major pairs are still all over the place. The UCAD's coming down like it's supposed to, but yeah, the other ones are just kind of. I wouldn't recommend trading those today. I would leave those alone. Probably tomorrow it'll be fine. Give it some time to figure out what it wants to do. For sure, man. Good to see you. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off here soon too. I want to get into this trade here possibly, and then that'll probably be it. Yeah. On days where the dollar is kind of stalled out, like today, you can trade the Euro GBP, the odd NZD, the yen pairs, the cross pairs, if those are acting right. There's a bunch of stuff to trade. Sometimes the dollar is just not stable. Yep, that CHF yen went down. Should have got into it. That was the easy one too. I should have gotten to that one. Oh well. Yep, this did exactly what I thought it would do. That's okay. Can't catch them all. All right. So we'll see what happens here. 130. I'm gonna be out. Audi. Oh, you got that Frank Yen sell? I knew that was gonna happen. I think I called it too on here. I'm not good at everything, but I'm definitely good at making money. A little skill that I have. Yeah, man, for sure. Okay. Just waiting on this sell here. Yep, that's what I wanted. I wanted it to come like right in here to this level. And we'll go ahead and sell it. So it's almost there. Okay. Getting closer. Okay. Starting to look better. My other trade's looking really good. It's gonna take forever, probably. Probably like two more hours, something like that. But looking good. This one. Yeah, I can. I'm surprised this is still going up. Yeah. Okay. This is probably. Hmm. Do I want to wait for a double? Or do I just want to hop in it now? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can hop in this now. Now it's like two. Might have waited too long. Now the damn bar is too big. Okay. Yeah, go up a little bit more. Come on. That's too big of a stop loss. All right, I'm gonna sell this one here. Right. Okay. Just the fact that the bar is so big means it'll probably go past. Okay. So not much of a trade there. But it's like one and a half. Like I said, that bar is kind of big. I really probably could extend the take profit a little further. I'm a little hesitant to do that though, just because of how far extended it is on the hourly. So I might just take this little one and a half or whatever it is. I'm doing too much for a Monday, huh? I probably am, really. Yeah, this trade is gonna take forever. I don't think it'll fail. I think there's a very low chance of it failing, but it might take like 2-3 hours. Okay, so that is so that's 4 trades for the day. That is probably good enough for today. I don't see anything else good enough to really get into. Like I was saying, you could probably set a buy stop here, like right here, and go for 2 reward. And that'll probably go through at, I don't know, it'll start the trade at like 3 a.m., something like that. Because this should come down. So the Australian dollar will be coming down, which will push the New Zealand dollar up. And then the dollar will eventually come down. So that's just going to push this pair up. So it's too risky to buy market order right now. But yeah, you can set a buy stop there, and that will probably work. Trying to decide whether or not I'm going to actually do that. I might. Yeah, I might not do that. And of course, I'll wake up and I'll see that happened. But it's good though. It's good to make predictions, and you'll see when you're right and when you're wrong. Helps your trading a lot, actually. So even if you didn't actually take the trade, at least you see that you were right. So next time that same thing happens, you can just go ahead and commit to it and know that it should work. But yeah, it is 1:30. So I am going to dip out. I got this trade running here. I have this trade running here. Actually did move the stop. 52. I moved the stop above that red bar there, just in case. So it's a pretty light trade. I'm a little scared to move the take profit lower, even though it probably will go lower, but I don't want to risk it. So yeah, that is the last 2 trades I have open. Hopefully they both go through, and that will make a pretty good day. Yeah, I'll be doing these streams Monday through Friday, starting at 11:30 PST. And I will see you guys tomorrow.